The SDLINR 72-can rolling cooler is designed with a detachable cart that features an extra-wide base and all-terrain wheels, making it easy to maneuver on various surfaces. This cooler offers incredible versatility with its ability to detach into 2 separate insulated bags, perfect for use as a lunch bag or work cooler. With its large capacity, this portable rolling cooler can hold all your essentials, including food, drinks, and even wine bottles, ensuring you are well prepared for any outing. The cooler's interior is crafted with seamless, hot-pressed food-grade EVA, guaranteeing a 100% leak-proof experience, while its 4-layer insulation maintains temperature effectively. SDLINR has constructed this cooler with durable, tear-resistant materials, promising long-lasting use and reliability in various outdoor settings. The after-sales guarantee offered by SDLINR provides peace of mind as they assure responsibility for any quality issues that may arise.